Hello guys, welcome back to this tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you how we can make a circle or pocket or a hole on a circular part. So in the previous episode we have done the cylinder of a piston, so let's do it on that cylinder. This is the cylinder that we have made in the previous tutorial. So we will make a hole or a circle on this part. As you can see here, this is assembly workbench. So let's click and double click on the body. Here click on the plane and select XY plane, I mean YZ plane as the reference, and we have to set the offset. It should be on the edge of this cylinder, so it should be the radius of this, and as you can see here it is on the edge. Click on it. Yeah, it's on the edge. Now select this plane and sketch. Good. So as you know, piston, double acting piston has, cylinder, double acting cylinder has two holes. That means the inlet and the outlet. This may be the outlet and this is the inlet. So let's do a circle over here. Select the circle and do it here. Constraint, let's tune the diameter, let's make it 10, and here circle, it may be around here. It should be equal with the inlet one, 10 mm. Good. Exit. As you can see here, there is a circle. Interesting. Now let's pocket it. As you can see here, the pocket has done in this direction. Here the type, the fillet limit type, the first limit type should be up to next. That means it's up to the board part, and the offset is 0. Okay, yeah, but here there is something that shouldn't cut. Sorry, that is not board, so we have to correct here this one by going to, sorry, let's scroll upward and click here in the body. Sorry, click on the line. Yeah, this one, the plane, it should be for 0. Yeah, nice. Now it is okay. Now let's do the other circle here. It should be pad, and simply we select this plane here, sketch. Okay, let's make it normal view. No, click it again. Yeah, now let's do here circle. Good, the other circle. This circle should be coincide with this one, so let's select this, and it should be 10. Sorry, let's write over here. Yeah, and the thickness maybe 5, so this is Click on this D10. Let's no, this is not this diameter. Click on it. Let's make it 15. Good. Let's do this circles here again. Nice. This is, sorry, this means its diameter, so its diameter should be 5. Now we have to write here value 5, and this is 15, or this means 7.5. 7.5. No, it's impossible to write here. We have to write here 7.5. Enter. Good. Now let's do a pad here. Pad. Interesting. Its length is maybe 20 by default. Interesting. But there is something, a problem here. Oh, there is a gap between the edge of the cylinder and this pad, so we have to decrease the plane. Okay, the plane too. It shouldn't be less than 40. Okay, 3.8. Okay, let's preview. Okay. There is something here, so let's make it 38.5. Click on the plane here. No, it's not plane 1, it's plane 2. This is 0.5 maybe. Yeah, good. Okay, thank you very much. This is what we wanna do. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel. Still there's a gap. Simply you can correct it by understanding what the diameter of this, so the plane offset should be equal to with this diameter. It's very easy, you can make it like that. Thank you very much.